Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker TWTR or Twitter. Just looking at some of the recent news stories. There is one here talking about arbitrage expert Julian Klimachko breaking down the Twitter acquisition and Elon Musk's options. So it says CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk acquiring the social media platform has been one of the biggest topics of investing in the world in 2022. Musk offered to buy Twitter shares for $54.20 each, yet shares have been trading around the $49 level. Benzinga spoke recently with Julian Klimachko, CEO and Chief Investment Officer of Accelerate, a company offering ETFs and alternative investments. Says Klimachko has a history of analyzing mergers and often invests in the arbitrage opportunity of deals, or the amount that can be made if the deal closes. Klimachko recently estimated that he has invested in or analyzed over 2,500 mergers over the last 15 years. So it says here, Twitter Premium, Musk offered to buy Twitter shares for $54.20 and shares are trading below the price. Here's what Klimachko had to say of the difference. So it says Musk's $44 billion leveraged buyout of Twitter is the largest LBO of all time by a long shot. The financing package includes an exceptional amount of leverage, including $25.5 billion debt and margin loan commitments, Klimachko told Benzinga. Klimachko said that the market is pricing around 70% odds of success of the deal closing. Klimachko points to the risks of the deal being credit markets failing or the price of Tesla shares dropping, with the margin loan reliant on the share value of Tesla. So there's some updates there and some thoughts there from an arbitrage expert. And let's take a look here actually at the price action and see what's going on. It's been a little while since I've made an update here on Twitter. But last time I covered this thing, I think it was riding right around this 100-day exponential moving average here on the weekly time frame, and it is still above that. So you can see 3 weeks ago, zooming in here a bit, it did make that blast above the 100-day EMA finally, because this candle right here had a big rejection, dipped pretty far below that, and then we've had definitely a rally and things moving up in the right direction. Still kind of curious though about this trend line, if it's actually going to be able to come up here and challenge this. I'm kind of curious to see if it can rip to this level. Is it going to hit that level and sell off and we're going to see a move down back towards this 100-day EMA? Or maybe, it'll blast through that and it'll be able to stay above that and maybe keep this uptrend going, because this thing has made a pretty big move here. I mean, it was trading down around $31, $31.50, somewhere in there. You can see on this weekly time frame a few months back, and now it has ripped all the way up again above that 100-day EMA, and it looks like it's heading up to challenge this trend line here. So I definitely keep an eye to that if this thing actually rips back to that level. Of course, we know what's going to happen if the deal closes, but if the deal does not close, we'll kind of see what happens here and, see if this thing can hold the 100-day EMA. I'll continue to keep you guys updated here on ticker TWTR or Twitter. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you.